You brought a forbidden item into the theater? You'll finish this movie in jail, buddy! We can't even imagine going to the movies without snacks. But the guard today is very strict. You can't bring outside food or drink into the movie theater. Say goodbye to this alien lollipop. Ellie brought a whole bowl's worth of candy from home. I can use an old trick and pretend to be pregnant. Aw, congratulations! Is the baby already kicking? Right now, the only thing kicking is the Skittles. Let me through. I need to sit. Jake wants to try that too. Poor guy. He doesn't look as convincing with a baby bump. I think you have a stomach ache, which makes sense since it's full of illegal candies. You are like a human piñata. Get out of here, rule breaker! A white sheet will always help you game the system. Ooh. Another victim of Halloween! Spirit, show me your face! What? Holy poltergeist! But how? Pleasure doing business with you, sir! Girls are lucky. They can hide candy in their bras. And just walk right on by the security guard. Jake would do anything for his candy, even to change his gender. Good evening. Here's my ticket. Jake should have held on to his wig more tightly. Operation Candy Bra failed. What is this? Gum? Give it here, miss! These friends know how to sneak candy into the movies. Just stick them to your body. The security guard's search didn't find anything, and we made it into the movie. Good job, Mike! A candy sleeve is a great idea! I wish you had longer arms, though. That's not all, bro. Say hello to my candy tummy. Another way to sneak candy into the movie theater is using cheer pom-poms. The guard has no idea that they are made out of cotton candy. Watch and learn, Jake. I want to try too. Maybe I can find a cheerleader costume somewhere. Let's go, Tigers! Let's go! A young, energetic cheerleader came to the movies. But her hairy legs and stubble are against cheer dress code. Get out of here, cheer loser! Another method is hiding all the candy in a huge hoodie that's 3 times too big. Mike has eaten enough processed sugar in his life. His stomach is his pride and joy. Now there's all the more of him for the lovin'. Looks good to me. Go ahead. Who's that sneaking through the movie theater? Jake, the invisible ninja. He is the master of disguise. Time for some special effects. Hello, guard. Here's my smoke hat. Unfortunately, the ninja can't see anything through the smoke either. Jake got the wrong door. Oh no! This is the security guard's HQ. This is awkward. Broke your arm? It happens. Be careful, man. Oh, you broke your arm too? Sorry. No, this is just a disguise. I don't have a broken arm. I have candy. Want to cut yours open to get the candy too? But Rick's cast is real. Loser! If you have long hair, then you can hide all kinds of stuff in it. Your ears, Skittles, whatever. Great idea! Ellie goes through with her hair and her candy. But it looks like Jake doesn't understand the methodology. He should have hidden the candy, not made it into a wig. So naive. All right, fine, go ahead. What? Seriously? All my dreams are coming true? Of course not. Go home, man. Mike thought of another way to sneak candy into the movie theater. Put a Chupa Chups in a bow and fire it like an arrow. Come on, Robin Hood, aim carefully. I go right past the guard. Great! Next, my lollipop flies to me. I got it! Oops! The guard intercepted the arrow. Operation Archer failed. I can't bring candy into the movie theater, but nobody said I couldn't bring a balloon. Big mistake. Balloons can hold so much treasure. This will be loud. Surround sound. Just one hit and my candy is free. Miss, is this yours? Thanks. A family of magicians came to the movies. You can't come in with your candy, folks. Hold on. You haven't even seen our best number yet. Mr. Guard, we proudly present our trick, the mysterious disappearance. Ellie, go ahead. And now, what's behind the curtain? Drum roll, and nothing. Hey, where did they go? It really is magic. A young woman with her baby. Aw, cute. Shh, he just fell asleep. Of course, go right ahead. Aw, what a cute baby. Hands off the kid. He's made out of my favorite candy. I love children. Oh, great leader of movie theater security! We have brought you a new sacrifice! This is a sugar-eating criminal! He deserves to be punished! Accept our gift and permit us to enter, oh great guard! Okay, fine, whatever. Here's your reward. Go ahead. And I'll take care of you separately.
Hello.
Aw, how sweet! We have the same toy. It's a kids' movie, and all the kids showed up with stuffed animals. Even Mike. Go ahead, man. Our teddy bears can watch the movie together. Dream on, kid. It turns out it's not a children's movie at all. And the bear gets torn to shreds right in front of the kid. This was a stuffed heist. Want some candy? Dad! He killed the teddy! How can you eat that? Monsters! Time to clean the theater. Move! Let the janitor through. Phew! Finally, my plan worked! I'm in the theater and I have all my snacks! But the movie's already over! Hey, where's everyone going? Oh no, not again! Did you like our movie theater life hacks? Then comment below and tell us how you'd sneak past a strict guard. And you guys, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click on the bell. Don't miss any hilarious new movie theater life hacks from Wahoo!